Want to be wealthy? Forget shortcuts. Real wealth isn't about inheritance or winning the lottery. It's about providing value. It's about solving problems. Think about it. Every successful business solves a problem. Uber, transportation, Amazon, convenient shopping. See the pattern. Stop focusing on getting rich quick. Focus on providing real value to others. That's the real secret to lasting wealth. It's not sexy, but it works. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the potential reward. But solving it is only half the battle. You need to scale your solution. Imagine you bake amazing cookies. Everyone loves them. That's solving a problem, satisfying their sweet tooth. Scaling, that's turning your cookies into a business. Think systems, processes, automation. Can you franchise your cookie recipe? Can you sell online? Scaling means reaching more people with your solution. This is where real wealth is created. Solving one person's problem is good. Solving 1 million people's problems, that's life-changing. The time to act is now. Here's the thing. You get paid what the market says you're worth. And your worth is directly tied to the value you provide. Think of a surgeon and a cashier. Both have important jobs, but the surgeon's skills are perceived as more valuable, hence the higher pay. This isn't just about working harder, it's about providing more value. Learn new skills, gain experience, and become an expert in your field. The more valuable you become, the more the market will reward you. It's as simple and as challenging as that. Take action now. You have two main paths to building wealth. You can build a business and sell it for a massive profit, or you can create a business that generates passive income effortlessly. Selling your business can be incredibly lucrative, but it demands time, relentless effort, and a whole lot of hustle. You're in it for the long game. Passive income is about creating systems that make money while you sleep. Think online courses, affiliate marketing, or real estate investments. Both paths require a radical shift in mindset. Money isn't something you chase. It's a tool, a result of providing immense value and solving problems effectively. So, what problem are you going to solve? The time to act is now. For more interesting videos like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification for more update. Thank you for watching.